Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into one of the most anticipated motorcycles of 2025, the BMW M1100R. BMW has once again pushed the boundaries of engineering, performance, and design, creating a machine that is set to redefine the Roadster segment. If you're a fan of speed, power, and precision, this bike is one to watch. Let's start with the engine and performance. The BMW M1100R is powered by an all-new 1100cc inline-4 engine, delivering an estimated 180 to 190 horsepower. This is a significant jump compared to previous models, putting it in direct competition with some of the most powerful naked bikes on the market. The engine is designed for high revving performance, ensuring a thrilling ride whether you're on the track or the open road. The quick shifter makes gear transitions smooth and lightning fast, adding to the bike's aggressive riding dynamics. When it comes to design, BMW has taken a bold approach. The M1100R features a lightweight carbon fiber frame and body panels, reducing overall weight and increasing aerodynamics. The aggressive stance, sharp lines, and sculpted fuel tank give it an unmistakable presence. The signature M Sport color scheme, blue, red, and white accents, enhances the premium look, making it instantly recognizable as part of BMW's high-performance M series. The bike is equipped with top-tier suspension and braking systems. Up front, you get fully adjustable Öhlins forks, while the rear sports a monoshock setup, ensuring a perfect balance between comfort and performance. Whether you're carving through mountain roads or taking on high-speed corners at the track, the suspension setup provides exceptional stability and responsiveness. The Brembo braking system, featuring dual-disc brakes with radial-mounted calipers, ensures that stopping power is just as impressive as its acceleration. One of the standout features of the BMW M1100R is its electronics and rider aids. It comes with a full-color TFT display that offers multiple riding modes, including rain, road, dynamic, and track. Each mode adjusts the bike's power delivery, traction control, and ABS settings to match different riding conditions. BMW's Dynamic Traction Control (DTC) and cornering ABS work seamlessly to provide maximum grip and safety, even in challenging situations. For riders who love customization, BMW offers an optional M Performance package, which includes additional carbon fiber components, an upgraded exhaust system, and a more aggressive EQ mapping for enhanced throttle response. The exhaust system is another highlight of the BMW M1100R. The Akrapovic titanium exhaust, available as a factory option, not only reduces weight but also enhances the bike's sound profile. The deep, throaty exhaust note complements the high-revving engine, creating an exhilarating auditory experience every time you twist the throttle. BMW has also focused on making the M1100R rider-friendly, despite its aggressive nature. The ergonomics are designed to strike a balance between comfort and sportiness. The slightly raised handlebars, well-padded seat, and strategically positioned foot pegs ensure that riders can enjoy extended rides without excessive fatigue. Whether you're using it for daily commutes or weekend canyon runs, the M1100R is built to deliver an engaging yet manageable riding experience. Now, let's talk about the technology and connectivity. The M1100R is equipped with BM's latest connected ride system, allowing riders to sync their smartphones via Bluetooth. You can access navigation, incoming calls, and music directly from the TFT display. The BMW Motorrad app also provides real-time performance data, ride statistics, and maintenance reminders, making it easier than ever to stay connected and informed. The BMW M1100R isn't just about raw power, it's also about efficiency. BMW has introduced a new fuel injection system that optimizes combustion for better fuel economy without compromising performance. With a 15-liter fuel tank, the bike offers a respectable range, making it suitable for both city rides and long-distance touring. When it comes to pricing, BMW has positioned the M1100R as a premium offering. While official pricing may vary depending on the region and optional packages, it is expected to start around $20,000 to $22,000. Given the cutting-edge technology, high-performance components, and M-Series branding, this price range makes sense for riders looking for the ultimate naked roadster experience. So, who is this bike for? The The BMW M1100R is perfect for riders who want superbike performance in a naked roadster package. It appeals to those who love aggressive styling, cutting-edge technology, and track-capable performance while still offering a level of everyday usability. Whether you're an experienced rider looking for an adrenaline rush or a BMW enthusiast wanting to add an M-series bike to your collection, the M1100R is a compelling choice. To sum it up, BMW has once again raised the bar with the M1100R. With incredible power, advanced electronics, premium materials, and an unmistakable M identity, this motorcycle is set to become one of the most exciting roadsters of 2025. If you're looking for a bike that delivers an unmatched blend of performance, style, and technology, the BMW M1100R should definitely be on your radar. That's all for today's video. Let me know in the comments what you think about the BMW M1100R. Would you consider buying one? Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more motorcycle reviews, news, and comparisons. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.